Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are showing you how I'm going to show you how to, I guess, like set up OBS. So this is pretty much kind of how you're gonna see it when you start, but these two buttons will not be there. And currently I have them both off, but you can turn them off. I just have it set to screen 1 and screen 2, so now you can see me recording you. Now you can't. And now you can see this screen. So the first thing you want to do is you want to press that plus button, go to display capture, name it whatever you want. I'm going to call it test. Create new, press OK. Choose whatever you want here, the display 1 and display 2. I have two monitors, so I have primary monitor and this other monitor off to the side. So I'm just going to make another one. Capture cursor, which is a given. And capture method, I'm just going to leave it at that. So there you go. Now there's another screen. Now, whatever you show on this screen, like if I open up CurseForge, put it off to the side, it will show here. So then, what I would suggest doing is going into settings, and then go to hotkeys. Now, pause and unpause isn't working for me for some reason, so I'm just going to leave it for now. But I have start recording for the minus on the number pad. Actually. Oops. Windows keyboard. Oops. I'm just going to search up keyboard. That's better. It's not the exact keyboard I have, but one sec. Okay. Oops. Okay, so I have it set to this button to start the video, the minus button on the number pad to start, and the plus button on the numpad or the number pad to end the video or to stop the recording. So start recording, stop recording. I do that because I'm right-handed. I have my mouse like right next to it, so if I'm ready to record, I can just move, like stretch my thumb over from the mouse, and it's incredibly useful. Don't worry about that. And if I press backspace, I don't know. Alright, well, I don't actually know how to pause or unpause the recording, so yeah. Just leave it, just do that, and let me know how to do this. If you're in the comments and you know how to work OBS, let me know. It's not working for me. So make sure to press apply before pressing OK. Then there's start recording. And then if I show my second screen, there's a stop recording button that will show up when you start recording. And these are the audio things. I don't know why I have the desktop audio, the second audio for the second screen separate from the first one. It doesn't, it just makes it double audio, I guess. And honestly, I don't know much about OBS. This is just like the basics. It's what I know. It's what I figured out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you use this tutorial. And if you use this tutorial because you didn't know how to use OBS for your videos, and you want to start making gaming videos, send me a link to your channel in the comments. I might check it out. But I hope that you enjoyed and this helps you at some point in your life. And if you don't, and if you're wondering if you have a channel and you don't know what you should or what to make or how to record videos, check out OBS. It's pretty useful. It's better than using Screencastify like I did back then, or back a while ago. What has it been, like, I don't know, quarter of a year? We're almost at a half year mark, okay? We're probably pretty much there, but no, we're not. Not even close. I gotta figure out when I started the channel. Alright, well, either way, I hope you enjoyed and this helped you at some point. And let me know your YouTube channel in the comments if you have one and you want me to check it out. I might just subscribe. So, subscribe. And have a good rest of your day. Because I sure do know I'll enjoy the rest of my day. And don't tell anybody else. You know what, whatever. Bye. Goodbye. Bye, people. See ya. Hey guys. So, whoever is still watching the video now, you're an absolute legend. If you saw that, if you're hearing this, go into the comments. One sec. Go into the comment section. You're an absolute legend for this. You know that? Thank you. Just pulling up Google Docs. Still, I'm just kidding. Word. I need word. Word. I need a word. What should the word be? Alright. Guys, you're still watching this? Right? You are a legend. That is what you are. You are a certified legend. Don't write that in the comments. Write pizza pie cheeseburger. And if you write pizza pie cheeseburger, I'll randomly select you know what? On the last day of January, or the first month of the year, I think it's January. I'm not sure. I'm not really great with months. But on the last day of the first month of the year, which I think is January, I am going to put the name of everybody who wrote that in the for everybody who wrote that in the comments. I'm going to put their name in a random wheel generator, and I will do a collab video on almost whatever you want. If I can't do it, like if it's a game and I don't have it and it costs a lot of money, or I don't really feel like getting it because I don't think I'll play it a lot, I'm not going to get it. And if you don't know what you want to play with me, then too bad. I'll just pick somebody else. And I might do that on a live stream. Not guaranteed. Possibility. You know, I'm just extending this video. It could have been done at like 8 minutes. But yeah. Type pizza pie cheeseburger in the comment section of this video and this video only. And I will do a live stream. Also, you have to have Discord or some other way I can contact you from my Windows computer. So, write pizza pie cheeseburger and you will have a chance to play with me.
Watching. Why is this it saying?